My trout just got ate by a shark. It's gonna be crazy as fuck. This is fucking insane. Trout just got ate by a shark. Or something much bigger. Don't break me off. No fucking way. What is going on here? You let it go. Oh, this is a big ass fucking trout. Dude, this trout just got ate by a shark. And then you let it go. Look at the size of this trout. This is a big ass trout. See these marks on him? Holy shit, that was crazy. That might have been a big snook that just ate him. Kidding me?